Hello everyone, let's go on a farm tour in Rotorua, New Zealand. This is one of the main attractions in Rotorua and it is located near Rotorua city. We booked our tickets online and went with a combo option that included the 3D trick art gallery. But you can also choose single option as well. You can get more details from the below link. First we went to see the sheep, and the best part was we were allowed to feed them and tap their head as well.
This one is also coming. Is the Akira there? Aki, I can't see.
Next we saw a pig, cows and ducks.
You like it? So it be.
Like this because in the winter here we get a lot of rain. It's hard to be able to so you've got to put like this down on here. In the corner, the wet rain, it will be in the corner.
This is a special fellow. It is a unique kind of a bull that was imported all the way from Scotland. This one here is about 1000 kilos in weight. Then we came to see the goats. We feed them as well.
He's on whether he has heard something. That's why he just won't. He's the boss, right? Oh, no. Oh. Wow. Give. Oh. Oh. Give, yeah. Nothing. Then come here. See, they were fighting. Oh. Don't cut it. Put it in your mouth.
These are llamas. There were white, brown and black llamas. My kids enjoyed feeding them and the llamas were quite big animals.
Oh, another one. Oh! Something must have gone down the wrong way.
Next was the ostrich. We were asked to feed one seed at a time for them.
One of the five of these fellows.
One at a time.
Right,
One at a
she's an
time.
emu. This is the point of giving.
Is she good? One at a
It's got
time.
3 toes. Ostrich has got 2.
Ostrich got two. Bring one. Oh,
Right straight.
give this to. Yeah.
When you hold, when you put it right up in the face. When you finish with these, you can hit around and
Honey, give one for this fellow. She didn't get any. You see, one for this fellow. She didn't get any. Yeah, good. One more to her. You two both babies. අතගන්න. කන්න දීලා අනිත් අතින් අතගන්න.
Next, we went to see the trick art gallery. It was at the same farm ground. At the starting point, we got a video briefing and then we went inside. We took many photos like the ones you are seeing on screen now. I hope you also enjoyed our tour. And thank you so much for watching.